everyone. Further to the popularity of our last two videos, here's just an update on the pond construction project in Surrey. Again, just a quick recap. This is a 10,000 gallon pond. It's about 45,000 litres. It's gravity fed via three 4-inch bottom drains, one 4-inch mid feed and a 4-inch gravity fed skimmer. Since the last video, the pond's been fibreglassed. Obviously it was all insulated beforehand, and then we've had approximately 30 tonne of rock that's been installed over the last 3 days or so. So now we're just waiting for the window to come in the next 10 days or so. All the 4-inch pipework is nearly there, so we're not that far away from actually filling it up, although there's still a lot of 1.5 and 2-inch return pipework to do. So I'll take you for a walk around now. If you've got any questions, obviously feel free to ask them in the comments or send us an email at coywatergarden@btconnect.com. This is the dry stone wall in the patio surround that is yet to be finished off. Just in certain areas like up the stairs and on the top by the summer house. We've got the window on order, so that should be with us in the next 10 days. Just twin 15mm glass for that. So yeah, dry stone wall and everything looks really effective. You've got 4 stairs, so the dry stone walling is going to continue up there just to retain that flower bed there. You'll note that around the pond, so you've got the conduits for the lights for in the pond, and you've got separate conduits that run all the way around the perimeter of the garden for outside garden lights. Obviously they'll be running off a timed circuit. It's approximately 30 tonne of rock got put in this garden over the course of 3 days. And just behind the rock work here, we just put Litre, which is like a clay planting media, and then we can plant them with some water plants. Or you can just Litre that, then carry the soil over, and you can just let the grass grow up to the rocks if you wish. These are the large stepping stones that go up to the summer house. Again, just a bit of drywall to finish off there, just to create that second tier in the garden. So still got some drywall just to go on the front edge of this before the lawn goes up to the patio area. I think since the last video, obviously the roof has been fibreglassed on the summer house also. That is the 4-tier stainless steel backy shower. This is a double width backy shower. I think you can hold approximately 8 boxes of the Momotaro backy house media in each section. So obviously a massive surface area. So this is the flow and return to the heat pump, which then returns back to the pond. The Trickle Tower has got 2 3-inch inlets that you'll see just down the side there that's need extending up. As we walk down into the pit, so we're going to make a handrail around here and a gate, just obviously to stop anyone falling down. Just made a little bit of progress down here. So this is the 4-inch pipework nearly done. So on the left hand side, they're the purge valves. So each line can be purged directly to waste. And on the back wall, they're the ones that's going to the inlets of the filters. So obviously they can just be controlled as and when or if you're doing a purge, you just shut the specific line that you're purging and open it there. So this has got 5 4-inch feeds, so 3 4-inch bottom drains, a 4-inch gravity fed skimmer, and a 4-inch mid feed. So on the Oazi double XL drum filter, we're using the 3 lower 4-inch feeds and then 2 of the higher ones, and this stainless steel chute that goes to waste. And as previously mentioned in another video, all this floor is going to have a grill on top, so effectively you'll be walking about 4 inches off the floor. So any maintenance that you do, all the dirty water goes underfoot into the sump area there that's recessed in the ground. I have 2 sump pumps in there that will pump any wastewater directly to waste. The system's going to run off of 2 Aquamax Expert 44,000s. So we're going to aim to try and turn over the pond once every hour, or just under once an hour. I see that there is the outlet manifold. So we're going to run 2-inch pressure pipe on the inlets and outlets. So on this particular manifold, you've got that is going to be a spare. So if we wanted to run the Waterfall on a timed pump, we could just shut that one there and then have the Waterfall, basically just in case obviously the client wants to turn it off overnight or via the Oazi app while everything else will still remain running. And then you've got the other feeds there. So you've got the 2-inch directly back to the pond. We've got one that goes to the UVs via the heat pump back to the pond, and then the 2 backy showers. And then on the inlet side, obviously just got pump 1, pump 2. And there's going to be 2 110 watt Yamitsu algae masters. Keep the water nice and clear. So all of the appliances that we ever install, we always put on these split couplings, and we've done so for the last 25 years. So any maintenance that you require, or if something needs to be replaced, they can simply be uncoupled without actually being cut out. So, so often we go to call outs where we fitted a pump maybe 15, 20 years ago, and it's just literally a straight swap, just using them split couplings. So they're worth their weight in gold there. This is just the 1 bag of the Helix media. Obviously, you've got the two moving beds. So you've got the XL drum filter, then you've got the moving bed in the centre, and then the end bay that we're going to also convert to a moving bed. So there's going to be lots of filtration on this pond. Obviously, once all that pipe work is finished, we're going to have to lay a concrete lintel over the top of there, and then this wall will just continue up.